Which of the following structures is responsible for producing sperm in males? A. Epididymis. B. Testes. C. Vas deferens. D. Seminal vesicles. The correct answer is B. The testes are responsible for producing sperm through a process called spermatogenesis. What hormone is responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle in females? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. D. Luteinizing hormone, LH. The correct answer is A. Estrogen plays a key role in regulating the menstrual cycle, particularly in the follicular phase. Where does fertilization typically occur in the female reproductive system? A. Uterus. B. Cervix. C. Fallopian tubes. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. Fertilization usually occurs in the fallopian tubes where the sperm meets the egg for conception. Which of the following is the site of implantation during pregnancy? A. Cervix. B. Ovary. C. Uterus. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. The fertilized egg implants and grows in the uterine lining during pregnancy. What is the primary function of the prostate gland in males? A. Producing testosterone. B. Producing sperm. C. Secreting a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. D. Storing sperm. The correct answer is C. The prostate gland produces a fluid that helps nourish and protect sperm during ejaculation. In the male reproductive system, where are mature sperm stored before ejaculation? A. Epididymis. B. Vas deferens. C. Seminal vesicles. D. Prostate gland. The correct answer is A. Mature sperm are stored in the epididymis before they are ejaculated during sexual activity. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does ovulation typically occur? A. Menstrual phase. B. Follicular phase. C. Luteal phase. D. Proliferative phase. The correct answer is B. Ovulation usually occurs around the middle of the menstrual cycle, during the follicular phase. What is the function of the corpus luteum in the menstrual cycle? A. Stimulating the release of an egg. B. Producing estrogen. C. Producing progesterone. D. Preparing the uterus for implantation. The correct answer is C. The corpus luteum produces progesterone, which helps prepare the uterus for possible implantation of a fertilized egg. What is the role of the Cowper's glands in the male reproductive system? A. Producing sperm. B. Producing testosterone. C. Secreting a lubricating fluid before ejaculation. D. Storing mature sperm. The correct answer is C. The Cowper's glands secrete a lubricating fluid known as pre-ejaculate to help lubricate the urethra before ejaculation. During which phase of pregnancy does the embryo develop major organs and structures? A. First trimester. B. Second trimester. C. Third trimester. D. Conception. The correct answer is A. Major organ development occurs during the first trimester of pregnancy, starting from conception until about 12 weeks. Which of the following hormones is responsible for maintaining the uterine lining during early pregnancy? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Follicle stimulating hormone. D. Luteinizing hormone. The correct answer is A. Progesterone is vital for maintaining the uterine lining during early pregnancy to support implantation in pregnancy. What is the structure that connects the ovaries to the uterus and serves as a site for fertilization to occur? A. Fallopian tube. B. Cervix. C. Endometrium. D. Corpus luteum. The correct answer is A. Fallopian tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus and are the site where fertilization typically occurs. In males, what is the function of the epididymis? A. Sperm production. B. storing mature sperm before ejaculation. C. Secreting seminal fluid. D. Hormone production. The correct answer is B. The epididymis is where mature sperm are stored and gain motility before ejaculation. In females, what is the function of the corpus luteum? A. Production of estrogen. B. Release of mature egg during ovulation. C. Maintenance of the uterine lining. D. Secretion of progesterone. The correct answer is D. The corpus luteum secretes progesterone to maintain the uterine lining and support early pregnancy if fertilization occurs. What is the main function of the testes in the male reproductive system? A. Produce and store sperm. B. Secrete testosterone. C. Produce seminal fluid. D. Neutralize vaginal acidity. The correct answer is A. The testes produce sperm and also secrete testosterone, playing a vital role in the male reproductive system. During the menstrual cycle, which hormone surge triggers ovulation? A. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. B. Luteinizing hormone, LH. C. Progesterone. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is B. Luteinizing hormone surge triggers ovulation, releasing the mature egg from the follicle. What is the function of the cervix in the female reproductive system? A. Produce eggs. B. Secrete estrogen. C. Protect the developing fetus. D. Connect the vagina to the uterus. The correct answer is D. The cervix connects the vagina to the uterus and also produces cervical mucus that changes during the menstrual cycle to aid in fertility. In the male reproductive system, where does spermatogenesis, the process of sperm production, mainly occur? A. Seminal vesicles. B. Epididymis. C. Testes. D. Vas deferens. The correct answer is C. Spermatogenesis mainly occurs in the testes, where sperm are produced through a complex process to ensure proper functionality. What is the term for the shedding of the uterine lining during the menstrual cycle? A. Ovulation. B. Menstruation. C. Implantation. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is B. Menstruation is the process where the thickened uterine lining is shed if fertilization does not occur. Where does fertilization usually occur in the female reproductive system? A. Vagina. B. Ovary. C. Uterus. D. Fallopian tube. The correct answer is D. Fertilization commonly occurs in the fallopian tube. What is the primary function of the fallopian tubes in the female reproductive system? A. Production of eggs. B. Sperm storage. C. Fertilization site. D. Hormone production. The correct answer is C. The fallopian tubes are where sperm typically fertilizes the egg. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining pregnancy during its early stages? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Testosterone. D. Prolactin. The correct answer is A. Progesterone helps maintain the uterine lining to support pregnancy. What is the name of the process where a mature egg is released from the ovary? A. Fertilization. B. Menstruation. C. Ovulation. D. Implantation. The correct answer is C. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg from the ovary. What is the function of the endometrium during the menstrual cycle? A. Produce sperm. B. Regulate hormone levels. C. Nutrient storage. D. Provide a site for implantation. The correct answer is D. The endometrium is the lining of the uterus where a fertilized egg implants. What is the purpose of the cervix in the female reproductive system? A. Produce eggs. B. Store sperm. C. Connect the uterus to the fallopian tubes. D. Prevent infections and foreign bodies from entering the uterus. The correct answer is D. The cervix acts as a barrier to prevent infections and foreign bodies from entering the uterus. What is the primary function of the scrotum in the male reproductive system? A. Producing testosterone. B. Housing the testes. C. Sperm storage. D. Synthesizing sperm. The correct answer is B. The scrotum provides a protective housing for the testes. Which hormone is responsible for triggering the development and maturation of the ovarian follicles in the female reproductive system? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. D. Luteinizing hormone, LH. The correct answer is C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, stimulates the development and maturation of ovarian follicles in the female reproductive system. What is the main function of the vas deferens in the male reproductive system? A. Sperm production. B. Transport of sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. C. Production of testosterone. D. Secretion of seminal fluid. The correct answer is B. The vas deferens carries sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct during ejaculation in the male reproductive system. What structure in the male reproductive system is responsible for the production and secretion of a fluid that forms part of semen? A. Epididymis. B. Seminal vesicle. C. Bulbourethral glands. D. Vas deferens. The correct answer is B. Seminal vesicles are responsible for producing and secreting a significant portion of the fluid that makes up semen in the male reproductive system. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does the uterine lining shed if fertilization does not occur? A. Proliferative phase. B. Ovulation. C. Secretory phase. D. Menstrual phase. The correct answer is D. The menstrual phase is marked by the shedding of the uterine lining if fertilization does not occur, leading to menstruation. What is the primary function of the labia majora in the female reproductive system? A. Production of eggs. B. Protection of internal reproductive organs. C. Secretion of lubricating fluid. D. Regulation of the menstrual cycle. The correct answer is B. The labia majora serve as protective structures for the internal reproductive organs in the female reproductive system. What is the purpose of the prostate-specific antigen PSA produced by the prostate gland in males? A. Aids in sperm motility. B. Neutralizes acidic pH in the urethra. C. Enhances fertilization of the egg. D. Aids in liquefaction of semen. The correct answer is D. Prostate-specific antigen PSA helps in liquefying the coagulated semen after ejaculation, aiding in sperm mobility and fertility in the male reproductive system. Which structure in the female reproductive system assists in moving the egg from the ovary to the uterus? A. Cervix. B. Endometrium. C. Fallopian tubes. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. The fallopian tubes play a crucial role in capturing the egg released during ovulation and transporting it to the uterus in the female reproductive system. What hormone is responsible for preparing the endometrium for potential implantation of a fertilized egg in the menstrual cycle? A. Luteinizing hormone, LH. B. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. C. Progesterone. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is C. Progesterone is the hormone responsible for preparing the endometrium for potential implantation of a fertilized egg during the menstrual cycle in females. What is the function of the bulbourethral glands, also known as Cowper's glands, in the male reproductive system? A. Production of sperm. B. Secretion of alkaline fluid to neutralize acidity. C. Contraction during ejaculation. D. Enhancement of testosterone production. The correct answer is B. Cowper's glands secrete an alkaline fluid into the urethra to neutralize the acidic environment and protect sperm as it passes through during ejaculation in the male reproductive system. During which phase of pregnancy does the placenta begin to form and provide essential nutrients and oxygen to the developing embryo? A. First trimester. B. Second trimester. C. Third trimester. D. Luteal phase. The correct answer is A. The placenta starts forming in the first trimester of pregnancy, becoming the primary source of nutrients and oxygen for the developing embryo. What is the primary function of the seminiferous tubules in the male reproductive system? A. Production of testosterone. B. Storage of sperm. C. Fertilization of the egg. D. Sperm production. The correct answer is D. The seminiferous tubules are responsible for sperm production in the male reproductive system. Which hormone is crucial for maintaining the uterine lining during early pregnancy in females? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is B. Progesterone plays a vital role in maintaining the uterine lining during early pregnancy in females. Which structure in the female reproductive system assists in moving the egg from the ovary to the uterus? A. Cervix. B. Fallopian tubes. C. Endometrium. D. Labia majora. The correct answer is B. The fallopian tubes assist in moving the egg from the ovary to the uterus in the female reproductive system. During which phase of pregnancy does the placenta begin to form and provide essential nutrients and oxygen to the developing embryo? A. First trimester. B. Second trimester. C. Third trimester. D. Gestation period. The correct answer is A. The placenta begins to form and provide essential nutrients and oxygen to the developing embryo during the first trimester of pregnancy. What is the main function of the corpus albicans in the menstrual cycle? A. Hormone secretion. B. Egg production. C. Luteinizing hormone LH release. D. Scar tissue formation after ovulation. The correct answer is D. The corpus albicans forms as scar tissue after ovulation and degeneration of the ovarian follicle in the menstrual cycle. Which hormone is responsible for maturing the ovarian follicles in the female reproductive system? A. Luteinizing hormone, LH. B. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. C. Estrogen. D. Progesterone. The correct answer is B. Follicle stimulating hormone. FSH is responsible for maturing the ovarian follicles in the female reproductive system. What is the function of the seminal vesicles in the male reproductive system? A. Production of sperm. B. Storage of sperm. C. Secretion of alkaline fluid. D. Hormone regulation. The correct answer is C. The seminal vesicles secrete an alkaline fluid that neutralizes acids in the urethra and enhances sperm motility in the male reproductive system. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does the uterine lining shed if fertilization does not occur? A. Follicular phase. B. Ovulation phase. C. Luteal phase. D. Menstrual phase. The correct answer is D. The uterine lining sheds during the menstrual phase if fertilization does not occur in the menstrual cycle. The process by which sperm acquire the ability to fertilize an egg as they travel through the female reproductive system is called A. Semen production. B. Oogenesis. C. Acrosome reaction. D. Implantation. The correct answer is C. The acrosome reaction is when enzymes on the head of the sperm are released to help penetrate the egg's protective layer during fertilization. What is the primary hormone responsible for the development and maintenance of male secondary sexual characteristics such as facial hair and deepening of the voice? A. Testosterone. B. Follicle stimulating hormone FSHC, luteinizing hormone LHD, estrogen. The correct answer is A. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Which part of the female reproductive system is responsible for producing and releasing eggs over for fertilization? A. Uterus. B. Fallopian tubes. C. Ovaries. D. Cervix. The correct answer is C. Ovaries are the primary female reproductive organs responsible for producing and releasing eggs for fertilization. What is the function of the vas deferens in the male reproductive system? A. Transport sperm from the testes to the urethra. B. Produce seminal fluid. C. Store sperm before ejaculation. D. Produce testosterone. The correct answer is A. The vas deferens carries sperm from the testes to the urethra during ejaculation. Which of the following is a structure in the female reproductive system responsible for the production of estrogen, progesterone, and eggs? A. Uterus. B. Fallopian tubes. C. Ovaries. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. Ovaries are responsible for producing estrogen, progesterone, and eggs in the female reproductive system. What is the primary function of the endometrium in the uterus during the menstrual cycle? A. Produce eggs for fertilization. B. Prevent sperm entry into the uterus. C. Provide a nourishing environment for a fertilized egg. D. Regulate hormone production. The correct answer is C. The endometrium provides a nourishing environment for a fertilized egg to implant and develop into a fetus during pregnancy. Which of the following male reproductive glands produces a fluid rich in fructose to provide energy for sperm motility? A. Seminal vesicles. B. Prostate gland. C. Bulbourethral glands. D. Epididymis. The correct answer is A. Seminal vesicles produce a fluid rich in fructose to provide energy for sperm motility and survival. The process of male gamete production, in which diploid germ cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid sperm cells, occurs primarily in which structure? A. Seminal vesicles. B. Prostate gland. C. Bulbourethral glands. D. Seminiferous tubules. The correct answer is D. Spermatogenesis, the process of sperm production, primarily occurs in the seminiferous tubules within the testes. Which of the following structures aids in the transport of eggs from the ovaries to the uterus and is a common site for fertilization to occur? A. Vagina. B. Cervix. C. Fallopian tubes. D. Uterus. The correct answer is C. Fallopian tubes assist in transporting eggs from the ovaries to the uterus and serve as a common site for fertilization to occur.